Welcome to the Office of Admissions and Scholarships. I'm your Ma'am Ann, the Assistant Head of OAS. Here, we process your admissions applications, procure your scholarship grants, and process your scholarship needs. We also process your needs for computation of the General Weighted Average Grade, or GWAG, and keeps records of the honor roll. One of our major events is the Parangal, where we recognize your academic achievements. We also coordinate with different offices in various student scholars development programs.
Hi, I'm your Ma'am Yan, and you can always inquire for me all concerns regarding applications and procedures of the Non-Academic Scholarship Program, or NAS. NAS is a free-all scholarship that requires a 4-hour service duty every day in CIT University. This is offered to college students who have at least one semester residency with an average grade of at least 3.5 with no filling grade.
Hi, I'm your Ma'am Gina, and I am attending to all your admission and scholarship concern except non-academic scholars. Here in OAS, we handle all CIT funded scholarship and discounts. Also, we are your coordinator between you, our scholars, and the sponsors.
If you are interested,
feel free to approach us.
We are the Office of Admissions and Scholarships, welcoming you to CIT and helping you reach your goals.